This instrument, made of heavily gilded silver, is called the mace and is the oldest parliamentary mace in Australia, manufactured in 1887. It features Western Australia's state crest, the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom, and Queen Victoria's royal monogram. It is also embossed with the English rose, the Scottish thistle, the Irish shamrock, and Western Australian wildflowers. The mace is the emblem of office and symbol of authority for the Speaker, and through him the Legislative Assembly. Today, in this Parliament, the Sergeant-at-Arms serves as attendant to the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly.
Honourable members, the Speaker.
At the start of each sitting day, the Sergeant-at-Arms escorts the Speaker into the chamber while carrying the mace. The mace is placed on the table of the House, with the crown on its tip facing the government benches when the Speaker or acting Speaker is present in the House. The mace will remain there for the duration of the sitting day, and the Sergeant-at-Arms will exit with the mace ahead of the Speaker when the House adjourns. The Legislative Assembly has had both male and female Sergeant-at-Arms. Their other duties include being responsible for security in the chamber and galleries of the Assembly, carrying out ceremonial duties, delivering official messages between the two houses, and managing a range of administrative and research tasks both inside and outside the chamber.